In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using HubSpot CRM software. We'll take a guided tour of the main navigation so you know exactly where to click, what each area is for, and how to get value right away. Start on the HubSpot home screen. This is your command center, showing an overview of recent activity and quick links to the tools you use most. As you work, you can customize what you see, so the data that matters to you is always front and center. Next, open the CRM section. This is where you'll manage contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and orders. Begin by reviewing contacts and companies to make sure key details like lifecycle stage, owner, and source are in place. If you're moving from another system, consider importing a clean CSV and setting up properties so your team captures consistent data. In deals, build your pipeline stages to match your sales process and use tickets to track customer issues from first report to resolution. Head over to marketing. Here you can start campaigns, send emails, connect your social channels, manage ads, plan events, and create forms. Before sending anything, verify your domains and set up subscription type so contacts receive the right communications. Use templates and A/B testing to improve results over time. Open content next. This area lets you create website pages, landing pages, blogs, videos, podcasts, and case studies. Use the drag and drop editor to keep layouts consistent and preview your pages on desktop and mobile before publishing. If you use a branded domain, connect it so everything looks professional and on brand. In sales, you'll manage documents, meetings, sequences, and day-to-day activity. Connect your calendar to share a live booking link, store sales collateral as trackable documents, and use sequences to automate thoughtful follow-ups. Keep notes, calls, and emails logged so the entire team has full context. Click Commerce to view your commerce overview and create discount codes, products, quotes, and invoices. And make sure taxes, currencies, and payment settings are configured so your billing runs smoothly and customers have a clear, easy checkout experience. Open Service to reach HubSpot's help resources and get support when you need it. This is also a good place to centralize how your team handles customer requests so nothing falls through the cracks. Go to Data Management to connect integrations, review event data, and improve data quality. Establish naming conventions, merge duplicates, and schedule routine checks to keep your database accurate. Visit Automation to build workflows that trigger emails, updates, and tasks. Start simple. Test with sample records and add complexity as your process matures. Finally, check. Reporting to track performance across sales and marketing. Build dashboards, set filters, and share them with your team so everyone is aligned on the numbers that matter.